These are my colors.
Granty, which one are you going to use? Hey, just choose one.
This, the black. I'm gonna color black tires. Hi. Have you ever watched Paw Patrol?
That's a good question.
Hi, there. Have you watched Paw Patrol?
Baby, tell them what you're coloring.
I'm coloring the lookout from Paw Patrol. The lookout from Paw Patrol?
You got new felts. Your nose is blue because you're smelling. You smelling the markers? What did the blue one smell like?
Blueberries.
What does the red one smell like?
I haven't smelled it yet. So good. It smells like raspberry. Smell.
It does. Or maybe cherry? I don't know. Grant, are you drawing a tractor?
Mom, is the lookout? I think the lookout is red and blue.
I don't remember.
Yes, it is. And a bit green. Has to have a good backyard. Cause is that a lookout? Is that a lookout? Yep, I'm coloring it as neatly as I can.
Granty, let's show what you colored.
A tractor.
What's this tractor doing?
I don't know. I'm gonna go now with tractor.
You want to color another tractor? Betty, can you let me show the lookout?
Yep, just a second, Mom.
Ooh, pink sun.
And the lookout.
That looks great.
And the lookout.
It smells great too. Granty, wait.
I'm gonna color another track.
Yes.
There.
Let me show this one. What color is this tractor, Grant?
It's Mom, smell this one. Mom, it's brown.
It's brown. What's this tractor doing?
It smells like orange. It does
Okay.
not.
Grant has a brown one.
Speaking of oranges, speaking of oranges, I want to draw an orange.
Good idea. Wait, is your lookout done?
Yep.
I didn't know it was done.
Does it look like a proper orange?
Here, show me pass me the lookout again. I'll show it again.
Okay. Just a second.
So, okay, well you were coloring the top part.
Yeah.
But that was the last part you were coloring?
Yeah.
I love it. Thank you. Granty, it's beautiful. Can I show it, please? This one might be harder to see. The yellow tractor and the sun.
It's not a sun.
It's not a sun. What is it?
It's a real sun.
It's the real sun.
Yeah.
Ah, wonderful, Grant. Hey, keep that on the paper, please.
Mom.
Are you all done? Can I show your
I
orange?
gotta hang.
Can I show your orange, please? Betty? I can see that. Okay. Got a hangnail to deal with, it appears. And a beautiful orange. Good job. Granty, what's that?
There's the clouds.
Beautiful. All right, let's end the video.
Bye, don't forget to subscribe.
Funny girl. You've got felt on your nose. Granty, do you have felt on your nose? Can you say bye? Bye.